Hi, I'm Leslie Stein and I'm from Glenview, Illinois, and today I'm here to show you the E2000 fitness system. For starters, we have it sunken in the ground partially for easy access. This panel that I'm sitting on is also the access point where people can get in and do their work if I need maintenance on this unit. Today I'm going to show you some of the exercises that I do. As some people know, as they get older, your body can't really take the exercise impact. With the E2000, I can do all of my exercises with almost zero impact, but boy do I feel it when I'm finished. The hot tub is set at 102 degrees with a separate filtration system. The swim spa part itself has 4 filters, one over here and one over here. The separate panels help me to control each unit separately. Let me show you a few things that I do in my swim spa that gives me the best cardio workout and able to enjoy this even on a cold day. The things that I like to do in this unit for maximum exercise benefits is I like to run in the water, and with the current, it looks like you're not going anywhere, but you certainly are packing on the miles. I also do my ab work. I also do a little bit of step aerobics in here, and I swim. So today I'm going to show you a couple of things that I do to make the most of my favorite add-on to my backyard. When I finish my swimming, I find my rhythm and I run. And after a half hour, it does not feel like I've been running. I've got my maximum cardio and I don't feel sore in any way at all. Sometimes I just work my legs. To work on my core strength, as well as exercise my legs and my back to strengthen my back. When I'm finished with my workout, I just shut this off and I just kind of relax. On a cold day like today, I like to get in the hot tub, turn on all the jets, that also offer me an amazing leg massage. You have a variety of seats that you can sit in, and you can find where your target relief is. Thank you for coming today to the Great Midwest, and I hope that you too can soon buy an endless pool and enjoy your yard as much as I enjoy mine. Thanks.